Hello everybody. Welcome to us renovating the house. Enjoy the first two clips from earlier on in this week. So we're currently moving the fridge that came with the house into here. Tyler took the door off the hinges from here because we're getting rid of it because there's a cat door on it and it makes no sense like why we would keep it. And we're just gonna plug it up in here and leave it in here as like a backup fridge slash beer cooler, excuse me. Cool. That works for me.
I still say I can go better in the corner. That way you get more.
Turn the light on. I mean, that's enough space for me to do the laundry and stuff.
Oh, it feels kind of cramped in here now.
A little. That's not bad.
Still say after we put the floor in here, we're sticking in the corner right here.
I'll see how I like it.
Put it like right here. And the door is going to be over here.
Yeah, that could work.
And we're pretty much going to flip these around. These is going to go where this is. The door is going to go here.
Are we going to be able to do that with the pantry being right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're closing this.
I know. But
so this is going to be a wall
gotcha.
now, so we'll run the cords through it.
And
so
this is where the door is going to be, over on this wall.
Yeah, from about here to here.
Move back for perspective for everybody.
And then this light we'll put on the side of the pantry. That way when you come out the door here, you can flip on the light here and it turns that light on.
That makes sense.
You can either do it that right there or right here.
Yeah. And these floors, these are all laminate. And you can tell that something, I don't know. That's going to be hardwood floor. This is going to be hardwood floor. This is going to be hardwood floor. That's not the light. Still figuring out the light switches in here. This is all going to be hardwood through here and here. And then we're getting carpets for the 2 bedrooms. I know you can't really tell that's the door. The doors don't match in this house either, which we're going to fix eventually. Bathroom's there and our room is there. But we're getting new carpet for our rooms as well.
So we're just taking up to here on? Yeah. 2x4. Oh. Hold on, let's score a line across there. You're supposed to be wearing safety glasses. See the mold down there too? Yeah. At least we're tearing it up. You gonna help thread it now?
I want to see if we have a bigger hammer.
Well, look at that one.
Oh.
Dad's the bigger hammer. No, he done took it all out now.
Not all of it.
Most of it.
Hey,
Give me that knife. The knife.
A knife.
Get up here. Break all that stuff off.
Ah!
Hey, hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Oh, these are really big.
Okay, now just pull it off.
Oh.
Yeah, pull it.
Can you hold this?
Joe Brinker, Demolition Man. Okay.
Are we gonna break through the insulation?
You just pull it out. Insulation. 3/8.
Currently, Tyler and his dad. So they tore out the wall, as you saw in the last clip. Now they're currently working on that.
When we get over this way, we'll hump them at 42 3/8 there, mount the box on the back.
Okay, so quick little update. Oh my god, my hair is a mess. I am sweating so bad in here. But anyways, I am now in the second guest room, which was previously a nursery. And I am putting the blue tape all along everything so we don't get the borders completely painted the same color as the wall. The guys are doing a great job. Mason and Jenner in the other room doing a second coat while I get all this ready, so that way we can just go ahead and paint this. We're trying to get all the painting done this weekend, because next weekend we are celebrating our 1-year anniversary of being married, and we're doing a staycation and hanging out with some friends. So that is the current status. So let me get back to it. So quick update, they've got the corners of the door frame up.
We're building the second wall right now.
They're building the
So we need 2
wall.
bracers, one for the back, one for the front.
So I'm tired. It's a mess in here. Everybody's taking a break. Better lighting, better lighting. There we go. I am exhausted. It's been a long day. Process is being made. Our master bedroom is pretty much done with the second coat. We just gotta do the top part up there, but the guys are using the ladder right now, so gotta wait on the ladder. But quick little update for you guys. What's going on?
Hold your hand on the back.
Yeah. That would wait.
He's a man.
I'll blow up there.